Okay. Okay. So if suppose any values are given in kilometer per hour, and that if we want to convert it into meter per second, then we are just multiplying 5 by 18. Suppose if we have 24 kilometer per hour, okay, so we can write 24, convert this into meter per second they are asking. So you can multiply 24 by 5 by 18. Okay, and here this is 9, 2 9s are 18, this is 12. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So 4 5s are here 20 divided by 3 meter per second. Getting this?
Yeah.
Okay, copy. So understood how to convert the kilometer to meter per second.
Yeah.
Okay, now do convert this one more quantity, 54 kilometer per hour equal to meter per second. Then 72 kilometer per hour converted into meter per second, and 180 kilometer per hour into meter per second. Okay, so convert all this kilometer per hour into meter per second. Okay, so if any quantities if we want to convert into kilometer per hour to meter per second, then we are multiplying by how much? 5 by 18.
Okay.
Okay, so
It should only go by two stable.
no, if it is, sometimes it is divisible by 13 or it is divisible by 18 also.
Oh, okay.
Okay, copy. Do this. You got the answers?
I got the first one.
Okay, first one is how much?
I got 15.
54 into 5 by 18. So 15 meter per second. Now 72 is there, no? 72 5 by 18. You got this answer?
No, I'm doing it now.
Okay, do fast. So any quantities which we are converting kilometer per hour into meter per second, we are multiplying by 8 by 5 by 18.
Okay.
Okay, what is the answer? 18
20.
Yeah, 18 fours are 72, 5 into 4 20 meter per second. Do for 180, that is easy, no?
Yeah.
So 5 by 18 into 180. So 18 tens are 180, that is 50 meter per second. Getting this?
Yes.
And suppose the values are given in meter per second and we have to convert this into kilometer per hour, then we are multiplying the given quantity by 18 by 5. Means suppose the 50 meter per second, if I want to convert this into kilometer per hour, then 50 into I have to multiply 18 by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 50, and that is nothing but 180 km kilometer per hour. Getting this how to do?
Yeah.
Okay. So now copy this, then I will give you the next question. Copied this?
No.
Now convert here 25 meter per second into kilometer per hour. Okay.
Okay.
So convert 25 meter per second into kilometer per hour. So multiply 25 into 18 by 5. So conversion some 100%, there is one question will be there on this. So 25 into 18 by 5. So 5 5s are 25 and here 18 into 5, that is equal to 90 kilometer per hour. Getting this?
Yeah.
Okay, now convert 30 meter per second into kmph. Okay, convert this into kilometer per hour.
Auntie, wait 1 minute. I'm just writing from 25 also. I didn't write that yet.
Okay, do fast. Understood these conversions?
Yeah. I got 108 kilometer
Correct.
per hour.
Yes, correct. Yes, correct.
Okay.
Okay, now we can discuss about the uniform and non-uniform motion. Okay, uniform motion is nothing but what? Body covers equal distances in equal intervals of a time is said to be uniform motion. And non-uniform motion is the motion where the body covers unequal distances in equal intervals of a time. That is nothing but the non-uniform motion. Okay, so here example of uniform motion, that is a body moves with a constant speed while it is traveling into the onto the straight line. And non-uniform motion is a motion where the car is moving on the crowded street. Okay, so crowded street means what? Speed is what, sometimes more, sometimes less, or sometimes moderate. So speed is what, continuously changing. Okay, so that is nothing but non-uniform motion. And uniform motion means what, the equal distances it covers in the equal intervals of a time. So it gives the straight line graph. If you want to draw the distance time graph, then that should be a straight line. Okay, that gives a linear graph. Okay, so that linear graph is nothing but what comes under uniform motion. Okay, so there is a acceleration on the uniformly accelerated body, means in the body which is in a uniform motion, there is no acceleration on that body, means acceleration is zero. Okay, then speed is nothing but what, distance traveled by the object per unit time is nothing but what, speed. Okay, and speed is a scalar quantity. Why scalar quantity? Because it gives only magnitude, not a direction. Okay, so even speed is also measured in terms of meter per second. It's very important. They will sometimes ask the this thing, units of the speed unit is nothing but what, meter per second. Okay, speed unit is nothing but what, meter per second. Understood? hmm? Then after that, speed is nothing but what, speed is nothing but distance by time. Okay, distance by time. And how this unit derived? Distance is measured in terms of meter and time is measured in terms of second, that is meter per second. Okay, that division line is known as what, per second. Understood?
Yeah.
Then mm, now I will give one question. See, what do you mean by average speed? Do you know what do you mean by average speed? Average speed is nothing but what, total distance divided by total time. That is known as a average speed. Okay, so average speed is nothing but total distance by total time. And velocity is the speed of an object moving in a definite direction, and that's what velocity is nothing but vector quantity, because the velocity is having magnitude as well as direction. Okay, and velocity is nothing but what, displacement by time, and SI unit of velocity is also meter per second. Getting this?
Yeah.
And sometimes we are writing meter per second or meter raised to minus 1. Okay, normally we are writing m divided by s, and here power of second is 1. When you transpose up, so meter raised to minus 1. Okay, so don't be confused why they are writing meter raised to minus 1. The meaning will remain same. Getting this?
Yeah. Auntie, will they ask us graph questions, distance and time graph questions?
Maybe they can.
Okay.
Okay, so chalo, now next one. I will give one example. Write down the question. An object travels 16 meter in 4 seconds. 16 meter in 4 seconds, and another 16 meter, another 16 meter,
Okay.
another 16 meter in 2 seconds. What is the average speed of an object? What is the average speed of an object? What is the average speed of an object? I'll repeat. An object travels 16 meter in 4 seconds and another 16 meter in 2 seconds. What is the average speed of an object? Okay, so this is the question.
Okay.
So now object initially travels how much distance? D1 is given 16 centimeter and how much time will it require? 4 seconds. Okay, and another 16 meter distance it covers in how much period of time? 2 seconds. Okay, so they are asking what is the average speed over here. So average speed is nothing but what? See, we have to write the formula first. Average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time. Okay, so total distance is how much? 16 plus 16. Okay, and total time 4 plus 2, that is 6. So 16 plus 16 is 32 divided by 6. So this will come how much? 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. So 16 by 3, that is nothing but 5.33 meter per second. Okay, don't forget to write the unit.
Okay. The final answer is
5.33 meter per second.
3.
Yeah.
Okay.
Getting this how to do?
Yeah. Then
Okay. Now write down next question. Amit goes to the park. Write down. Amit goes to the park. Amit goes to the park, which is 960 kilometer away. Oh, not 960 kilometer, 960 meter.
okay.
960 meters away from her house. She reaches there in 5 minutes. She reaches there in 5 minutes
Okay.
and come back in 3 minutes.
Okay.
Come back in 3 minutes. Find the speed and velocity. Find the speed and velocity of Amit during the round trip. During the round trip.
During the round trip.
Yeah. Round trip means what? Going from house to park and park to house. That makes one round trip. Okay. So here the distance is given from his house to park, that is a 960 meter. Okay, so from this can we calculate its speed? Average speed we can calculate, no, because while going from house to park he requires something 5 minutes, and from park to house he require total 3 minutes. So from this we can calculate the average speed. Average speed is equal to total distance. Total distance, how it will come? From house to park and park to house, that is 960 plus 960, and divided by total how much minutes required? 5 plus 3 minutes is 8. So that 8 also 8 minute you have to convert it into seconds, and after converting this you will get a average speed, okay, or average velocity you will get. So once you get that, then calculate the once you get the velocity. And round trip means what? I am leaving from home and again I am reaching at home only. So here total displacement becomes how much? 0. Okay, so if displacement is 0, then velocity is also what? 0, no? Okay, so we can write here, see on the board. So here from house to park distance is nothing but 960 meter. Okay, and house to park he requires 5 minutes. Okay, this is the time t1. And park to house he require how much? The distance is again 960 meter he have to convert, but he can reach it within a 3 minutes, or he requires 3 minutes. So here average speed is equal to total distance upon total time. So total distance is 960 plus 960, because he is going from house to park and park to house, and total time is 8 minutes. So 8 minute is, we have to convert it into second. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 8 minute is equal to how many seconds? 480. Correct, seconds. So here it will come it as a 480 seconds. Okay. This is 4. So 960 plus 960, 1920 divided by 480. So this 0 and 0 get cancelled, and 48 4s are 192. So answer is here 4 meter per second. Getting how to calculate? These are very simple, easy, conceptual based questions are there. Getting this? So this is what the average speed. Then they are asking here velocity, and did you copy the given part above 4-5 lines?
Yeah, I did write that.
So
Auntie, didn't they say to find the speed and not average speed?
Actually we are getting average speed because that person is going from house to park and park to home, correct, but the time required in both the cases are different, no? That's what I calculate. Anyhow the speed is there, so we have to take total time, no, total distance by total time. That's what I took it as a average speed here. And once you will get average speed, then you can go for velocity. So here velocity formula is nothing but what? Velocity is equal to displacement by time. Okay, so displacement, here displacement is 0, no, because here Amit is what? Going from house to park and park to house. He is going from house and again he reached by the same place, no? So that is nothing but what? Displacement is 0. So velocity is also what? 0. Getting this?
Yeah.
Okay, copy this.
Auntie, why didn't others join?
They finished no today's science paper.
Oh,
You
okay.
want paper? I will send you. I will ask Srushti to send it to you.
Yeah, okay.
They finished now. They have maths. You have day after tomorrow, no?
I have science tomorrow, then English, then maths.
Ah, okay. Then tomorrow also you can join for maths. So because Srushti and all they finished.
Okay.
Okay, copied.
No, I'm writing the velocity. Then,
Yes. Finished. Okay. Now take one more question. The odometer of a car needs. We did this, but still you can take. A odometer of a car needs 2000 kilometer at a start of the trip at a start of trip and and 2400 kilometer and 2400 kilometers 2400 kilometers at the end of the trip at the end of the trip the trip took 8 hours the trip took 8 hours the trip took
okay.
8 hours 8 hours calculate 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 average speed calculate average speed calculate average speed of the car in kilometer per hour and meter per second. Okay, so can you calculate this?
Yeah.
Okay.
As homework?
No, now you can able to do this.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Brinda, getting?
I'm doing no other conversion.
So here what is the average speed you got?
Average speed 50.
50 kilometer per hour.
Yeah,
So
50
here
kilometer
last
per
reading is 2400 and initial reading is 2000. Correct? So here total 400 kilometer distance that car traveled. Okay, and 8 hours it requires to cover 4 kilometers of distance. So here average speed is equal to how much? 400 divided by 8. 2 and here 100, here 2 into 50. Okay, so 50 kilometer per hour. Convert this into meter per second. So 50 meter per second, no? So here 18 by 5. So 5 tens are 50. So this is nothing but how much? 180 meter per second. Correct, no?
Yeah.
Khalas.
Okay. Auntie, when you
Oh,
said
meter per second. No, we have to convert meter per second. So 5 by 18. We have to multiply here 5 by 18. Okay.
I did 18 by 5.
I converted again. I thought answer we got in meter per second, converted into kilometer. But here kilometer to meter per second. So that is what the answer. So here 9. Simplify this is 25 means 250 divided by 18. Okay, Ben 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 15, 2 fives are 10. So 125 by 9. Getting this? 9
I
meter
just cut and write that.
meter per second. Yes, sorry.
I just cut and write it.
Yeah. Okay, and acceleration is nothing but what? You copied this?
Yeah.
Okay, now next is acceleration. So here acceleration is nothing but what? Acceleration is nothing but change in time or change in velocity. Change in velocity divided by what? Time. So acceleration is nothing but v minus u by t. V is nothing but final velocity, u is nothing but initial velocity, and acceleration is nothing but vector quantity, and its SI unit is meter per second square. Can you getting? Or any accelerated motion is there, that accelerated motion is nothing but what? There is a change in velocity. Okay, so positive types of accelerations are positive acceleration, then negative acceleration is also there. So positive acceleration means what? The positive acceleration, the direction of acceleration is same as in the direction of velocity, means velocity and acceleration are in the same direction, but suppose means drop down the object. Okay, so if the object is also going down, acceleration is also down only. So in this case this acceleration is called as a positive acceleration. Negative acceleration means what? The body is accelerated exactly opposite to the direction of velocity. Okay, that is nothing but what? Your negative acceleration. Understood? So throwing a ball, so gravity is pulling down and acceleration is in the downward direction and object is going in the upward direction. So that is nothing but what? The negative acceleration. Understood? Now we have means what? We have two types of accelerations. One is positive acceleration, another is negative acceleration. Okay, so we have you have acceleration no in the syllabus.
Yeah, we have acceleration, but then it's only till page 77 at rate of velocity.
Okay, okay. ठीक है. Now in your textbook on page number uh, under what condition the magnitude of average velocity of an object is equal to its average speed. Okay, so the condition where the total distance covered by an object is same as that of displacement, then its average speed would be equal to its average velocity. Okay, then only we can say that the magnitude of average velocity of an object is equal to the its change in the equal to its average speed. Okay, so when we can say this condition is satisfied, the object can cover a total distance, okay, same as that of displacement, then average speed would be equal to its average velocity. Most of that time this question they were asking. Okay, thus the total speed should be what? Equal to the displacement. So what does odometer of an automobile measure? Odometer of an automobile measure the total distance covered by the vehicle. Okay, and speedometer is nothing but what? Measure the speed of the object. Getting this?
Yeah.
Now next one. What does the path of the object look like? Look like a line when it is uniform acceleration. Okay, when the object is in a uniform motion, then its path will be in a straight line. Okay, means equal distances covered in equal distances of a time. So in that case, that body is in a uniform motion, so we will always get the positive, means a straight line. Getting this? Okay, write down one more question. During an experiment, a signal from during an experiment, a signal from a signal from a space reached to the ground station